Paying a credit card bill with another credit card in Canada can be a bit complex. But it is possible. To start, you need to understand that not all credit card issuers allow this type of transaction. So it is essential to check with your credit card provider before attempting to make a payment. First, you need to identify if your credit card issuer allows you to make payments using another credit card. You can do this by reviewing your credit card agreement or by contacting your credit card issuer directly. Some credit card issuers may have specific rules or restrictions on this type of transaction, so it is crucial to understand their policies. If your credit card issuer allows you to make payments using another credit card, you can proceed with the payment process. One way to do this is by using a balance transfer. A balance transfer allows you to transfer the outstanding balance from one credit card to another credit card, often with a lower interest rate or promotional offer. To do this, you need to apply for a new credit card that offers a balance transfer option and then transfer the outstanding balance from your old credit card to the new one. Another way to pay a credit card bill with another credit card is by using a cash advance. A cash advance allows you to withdraw cash from your credit card account, which you can then use to pay your credit card bill. However, cash advances often come with higher interest rates and fees, so it is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions before using this option. When paying a credit card bill with another credit card, it is essential to consider the interest rates and fees associated with both credit cards. You should also make sure you are not accumulating more debt by using one credit card to pay off another. To avoid this, you should have a plan to pay off the outstanding balance on the new credit card as soon as possible. In summary, paying a credit card bill with another credit card in Canada requires careful planning and consideration. You need to check with your credit card issuer to see if they allow this type of transaction and understand the rules and restrictions that apply. You should also consider the interest rates and fees associated with both credit cards and have a plan to pay off the outstanding balance on the new credit card to avoid accumulating more debt.